simply technicality is one of the important dimensions of the project that for the purpose of to ensure that the project is technically feasible, and the other is to facilitate the most optimal formulation of the project in terms of technologies, size, and that of the location. That means we should have to focus on for analyzing of that of the technical in relation to that of the technologies or location and that of the size of your project. Therefore, simply with some of the basic issue or the item that you have to consider in order to analyzing of in order to completing of any technical analysis. The first one is simply the manufacturing process or technology. Simply, what are the process or the manufacturing process or the technology that you have to adapt it or that you should have to use this in order to implementing of your technical your project. Therefore, simply you may have facing some of the two or more of the product or service processes. Therefore, you should have to make a choice in between of those alternatives given for your project. And in order to making any choice for the technologies that are available from the available alternative, you may have focusing on that of some of the factors that affect us on your choice. The first one is the plant capacity. You should have to consider the plant capacity of the organization in order to making any choice between or from the given among the alternative for the technology or the process for your projects. And the other is the principal inputs. What are the inputs available for your projects and what are the inputs that you should have to use for that for implementing of your projects is one of the factors that you have to consider in order to choosing your technologies. And the other is investment outlets and the production capacity, the production costs. What are the investment outlets or the investment costs that you have to incur in order to acquiring of that technologies, and what are the production costs in order to using the technology or the process that you should have to choose. And the other is used by other units. How you are adapting of the other unit, your technology or the process you are using or you choose maybe used by another units or maybe adapted that simply the other units. And the production mixes, what are the product mixes that maybe you have followed using of some of the quality changes or maybe some of the size changes. You should have to consider the mixes that you are going to adapt or under the productions in order to making of a choice on the technologies. And the other is the latest development. In order to avoiding of some of the obsolescence costs or in order to minimizing of some obsolescence costs, you should have to consider the latest developed the technologies in order to have minimizing of some of the costs that relate to that of the disposition or the use of that even in the production costs of the technologies. And the other is easy of observation. That means your technology should be what easily absorbed in any skilled manpower, or maybe easily absorbed for any changes that may be resulted from that of the in the given any periods. And the other is after making of the choices on that of the technologies or the process, you have to measure the appropriateness of the technologies. When you say the appropriateness of the technology, you should have to see whether your technology or the choice you are making or and that of the processes or the technology you are making, you make your choices have appropriate or not. Simply, you should have to determine those technologies in terms of their local uses, or that means whether the input they uses are the local inputs or maybe the technologies maybe uses that of the local manpower or that of the maybe any availability of the costs or maybe that of the costs of capital or raw materials and the labors you should have to consider in order to measuring of the appropriateness of the technology that you are choosing. And the second basic issue that's related to that of the technical analysis, simply you should have to make the technical arrangement. That means simply after making of a choice on that of the appropriate technologies, you should have to make an arrangement on the technique. That means simply you should have to make what you should have to have a know-how needed for that of the proposal.